To enable reading mode on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to click on the display and brightness, and after that we'll be able to find the reading mode. Now click on that. Here you'll be able to activate the reading mode, which also allows you to modify a few settings, like you can enable cycle, which will cycle the reading mode between different colors depending on the overall light and etc. outside. And you can also go for a classic and adjust those settings manually right here with the color temperature, texture, and you can also activate the black and white option, light colors, and full colors. And finally, last option is to schedule reading mode for a certain time. If you activate it, reading mode will open on the times either with good night's read, which will activate from sunset to sunrise, and custom period, which will activate on time based on what you've inserted right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.